Hey guys, so here is a simple setup for you to follow along, and what I'm trying to prove with it is that the globe does not represent the truth. So setup is, you have a light source, you have the moon, an object, a round object, and then you have the earth, the globe. And you can do this at home. You can get a globe. Hopefully don't spend too much money on the fairy tale. But I'm not gonna reveal anything too soon. Just follow along, just watch what's happening, what's going on if you do not have this setup at home. I did not alter these recordings. These are what you would call applied sciences, truthful observations. But truthful observation, not out there, right? The actual macrocosm with the sun and moon and stars, the astronomy, so to say, but truthful observation on a model. Okay, there's also truthful observation according to a model, trying to put it to a test, running it through a test. If it stands, okay, and if it stands, it represents the macrocosmic truth as well. But if it does not stand, then it does not represent the truth anymore, and we have to agree to that fact. And then also throw out the model if it does not represent the truth. Because why should we hold on to a model just because it looks nice? Oh, a ball looks nice when it's standing in your kitchen or in your bedroom or whatever, you know? People get these globes for their bedrooms as decorative, like a plant or something, you know? And when they fly, they take an airplane and they go to another continent, they actually think, I went around the ball with the airplane. And they would show it to their children on the globe, or maybe they would demonstrate something else. They would try to teach this to the children, and now it's about time that we try to figure out, is this actually the truth? Where does this model come from? The model usually comes from mandatory school, and this obviously is taught in mandatory school. So everybody is indoctrinated with this more or less because it's mandatory school. That's what the word means. Every child that is being registered in a country, and these days all across Europe, America, Australia, also China, they have been indoctrinated with this model. And if they never question this model, they push it on to next generations. They teach it. You also have actual school teachers, but you also have parents that teach the same stuff because they probably have never questioned the globe model, if it actually represents the truth. And I'll let you just watch these recordings that are made according to this little setup, how the pathway of the solar eclipse, I mean the shadow that is being cast from the moon upon the surface of the earth, does not align with the image that NASA, for example, gave us, according to where this total eclipse or the shadow is visible from Earth. So if you want to debunk a theory, you have to go by the theory and find the flaws in it. And if there are flaws, then obviously it does not represent the truth. Okay? And this is what we all have to agree with. If something does not align with truthful observation, then it cannot represent the truth. If a model in the microcosmic realm, so to say, in your house, home, or basement, whatever, school, does not align with the macrocosmic truth, then this microcosmic model does not represent the truth. It's that simple. And then it cannot be used and accepted as science, because science should align with truth in the best case. You know, if science does not align with truth, it's a lie. It's not science. It's pseudoscience. But science should be something that is provable and reproducible, that actually aligns with truth. You know, you look at a tree, and that tree is always that tree. There is science. You know that it's an apple tree because it has these certain fruits, and these always stay the same. Then that is already science in a very banal explanation, right? So if you call something an apple tree, but it does not bear apple fruits, then it's not science. Then it's just a lie.